Hello guys, we are back here again. Today we have something traditional. It's from Morocco. We call it Tagine. Actually you can make with anything, with beef, lamb, fish. Today we're gonna make with chicken, and we will just make our version to add some seasoning and some vegetable that Moroccan people, they don't put it in that one. So let's get started. Always remove this part. We don't need it. There is nothing to it in there. Here the seasoning what we're gonna put for the chicken. We have turmeric, we have salt, and we have cumin. You can add another thing if you want. You can add more garlic. I have this one. This will help you a lot, especially in the kitchen. Whoever is lazy to chop, I know it's very complicated and very difficult. So I have this one, and this is very good to use, and it's more easy and efficacious. This one, See how to use. You put then all it's there. So. Second one. Good. So we're gonna put in the fridge. Then while waiting for this one to absorb, we're gonna prepare our vegetable. Okay. Here I washed the tomato and I cut it into half. Actually we can make it as it is whole, then we can make it carrot slice, this size. Okay, we are done with that. And already I chopped the onion also. Okay, I chopped 2 pieces. Okay, it's big one. I just chop it because it takes time. Okay, here is the onion. Then we have here 4 potatoes. Okay, this baby marrow. I just cut it also like that. This one, the Moroccan people, they don't put baby marrow in their food. Then I have here 2 chili. This one, it can be cooked and will become delicious only in the Tagine. What is the Tagine? This one we call it Tagine. This is what Moroccan people they are using. They have something we call it, from mud, made from mud. Not like this. You will find it's like the color is different. So I could not find that one, so I just bought this one. Okay, this is the Tagine. So let's start. Let's get started, guys. First thing, you're gonna put some oil here, so it will not stick. And again, it's olive oil. That's what I'm doing. Okay. First thing, we're gonna put the onion, but not all for sure. So depending on the one down stick. Second thing, we're gonna add the potato. We have to make it like base of this. always put little bit salt for this one. I know the seasoning will go down later, like the juice, but I prefer to put little bit only, and that's why I keep this one here, so I can put little, or you can put some seasoning before in the potato. It's up to you. I prefer to put it now like this. Now we're gonna just put our chicken. See, it absorbs the seasoning. Looks nice. Spread it well. Thanks. Okay, now press it down. Now we're gonna put the potato again. You know, here we are making our version, so I always try to add things to the plates. I will not make the same plate, the same one as people doing. No, I don't make it. I just add. I don't copy people. The baby marrow, the cute baby marrow. Okay, so again, a little bit salt here, but there is no salt here. Actually, you know, we can mix all the vegetable with the seasoning with the chicken. At the first time, it will be better. All the vegetable and all the chicken, you can mix it together, and then you can put it one time. I'm gonna put some seasoning for that one. Change the color. Salt. Now we're gonna put the tomato. The tomato, actually, it's the last thing you put. You can put it actually in the middle also if you want. But you know, the tomato is very soft. It will be, you know, cook very fast. So we put it the last one. Have to be careful from the heat. It depends of the cooker that you have. So it will take like 1 hour cooking with a low fire. And we're gonna cover this one. You know the cooker that you have, so you must. I will reduce. 200 is too much. We're gonna leave it 1200. So let's see later how it look like. Actually, for me, as what I said, I make it how many times, you know, and I like the taste. I like how it look like later, you know, the taste of steam with all the vegetable on top, down, all the juice gonna go inside the chicken. It will really give you something different, something special, because we used to cook, you know, on top the, you know, then the casserole, then we cook it. When you cook with something like this was made from the mud, it's very delicious. That's why before people, they don't use the casserole, they use only mud. Their food is too much delicious, especially if you cook on top, you know, the charcoal, and you use the mud. It's very, very delicious. So we're gonna leave it for 1 hour, guys. Then I'm gonna come back to you. Then let's see how it look like. Hello guys, we are back again. So finally here our tagine is ready. You remember that I put the time, I think, the heat for 1000 something, but I go back to reduce it to 500 only, like this. So I reduce it to 500 only, because it must be cooked slow, very slow, and very slow heat. Okay, we cannot cook it in a, you know, in a very high heat, because it will burn and it will stick. So finally here I'm gonna show you guys how it look like. Here it's our tagine. So let me zoom it for you guys to see it. So here we're gonna take this, and I try to get the plate also like traditional plate, so everything is cooked. Let's shake the chicken. Here's the chicken. I'm looking for the other thigh part.